And we're following developments tonight in the death of Trayvon Martin. A status hearing was held today in the George Zimmerman case. Among the topics discussed was whether or not Zimmerman's family was going to be able to testify at tomorrow's bond hearing by phone. Local 6's Lewis Bolton is live in Sanford tonight in Lewis. So what was the big decision today, if there was, about these hearings?
Well, Gar, they will be able to testify by phone. George Zimmerman's attorney, Mark O'Mara, says he just wants to ensure that his client is safe and his client's family members are safe. George Zimmerman's attorney, Mark O'Mara, walked into the Seminole County Courthouse alone and then into a closed-door hearing in Judge Kenneth Lester's chambers.
Please state your name for the record.
Lester was only assigned to the case yesterday and today held the first hearing to address George Zimmerman's family members testifying tomorrow by phone.
We're trying to do it in a way that maintains, both the sanctity of the proceeding and also their safety.
Mark O'Mara says there is real concern about Zimmerman's family members going and coming from the courtroom. Since Zimmerman shot 17-year-old Trayvon Martin, he and his family have kept a low profile. And with the passionate rallies that have drawn thousands around the country, O'Mara says he would rather the family not be present.
And there's a lot of concerns right now that it might be an emotional hearing based upon what the outcome might be with the judge. So I'd rather have the family safe and secure.
But their testimony could be crucial. According to O'Mara, Zimmerman's family members will vouch that Zimmerman is not a flight risk and should be granted bond. O'Mara believes his client has several things working in his favor that the judge will consider.
So far, he has shown continued connection with FDLE, and he surrendered himself. So that's a suggestion that he's willing to, be involved in the process.
Now, tomorrow will be the second time that George Zimmerman will be seen publicly since his first appearance, and his attorney is concerned about his appearance. Coming up at 6 o'clock, I'll tell you why they also had to discuss what George Zimmerman will be wearing. Guard?
So, Lewis, what's the buzz right now? Is he going to be granted a bond?
Well, I'll tell you what, you never really want to try and predict what a judge will do, but I did talk to a legal expert yesterday who believes that he will be granted bond, and he says he wouldn't be surprised if it's somewhere in the $100,000 range. So we'll have to wait and see. Guard?
All right, Lewis Bolden reporting live. Thank you, Lewis.